Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. So what we got today here is an Audi Q3 2017 model, and what we've done is we fully integrated factory style Apple Carplay and Android Auto onto the original system. Now as you can see, this is the original Audi system that's all intact still, so you can use it. So you got your original navigation and menu and all that you can still use. So the way you switch to the aftermarket system, which we've installed, that is on the original screen. You press and hold your voice button, and what that will do, it will switch the system over, and that is the CarPlay system or Android Auto. If you've got an Android phone, that will come up on here. So yeah, it gives you access to all your supported apps on the CarPlay, and one other functionality it does, it adds full touchscreen support. So as you can see, I can touch the screen, you know, choose the apps I want to go into, all full touchscreen support, which the original system...
Siri requires an internet connection.
Just ignore that. Which the original system does not have. So as you can see, I'm touching it. The original system does not have touchscreen support, but with the new system, you get full touchscreen support. So yeah, but you can also use your what you call scroller wheel on your steering wheel to navigate the system as well. So as you can see, I can navigate the system and choose what I want as well. Yep. The CarPlay is all done wirelessly. So as you can see, I have no wires connected to the iPhone. It's all done fully wireless, without any need for any cable. If you do need to connect the cable, you do have a USB slot here to connect your iPhone or Android phone to it. So in the event that you need to connect it, you can connect it and use the USB port to get CarPlay. But yeah, it's done all fully wireless. No need for any cables, no messy cables. Yeah, and if you want this system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 554 5554, or even come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gans Hill, IG2 6QA. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos, guys. We've got more videos coming with different cars with different systems. You know, you can see if your car's featured, and if you want something like that system in your vehicle, yeah, we can retrofit it on. Thank you.